Yo, what is up everybody? Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. Welcome back to the crypto world. It's me, Which Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in today's crypto related video, it's about Solana and it's on how you guys can buy Solana and Wazirx. So for those people who do not know Wazirx is a crypto trading platform where you guys can buy and sell crypto. Alright. So basically it's like an Indian crypto trading platform. Alright. But you can also trade it from other country, but this is like mostly used by Indian people. Solana, if you guys have heard about it, it is also known as SOL or Sol Coin or SOL. Alright. So basically it's pretty trending right now. So in this video, let me show you guys how you guys can buy that. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And without any further ado, let's get right into the video. And if you guys want to sign up into Wazirx, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus. Let's move on, shall we? So the first step is you want to come to wazirx.com, log in into your account, and over here, as you guys can see, INR, which means I'm in Indian currency. You can change it to USDT for US dollar or WRX or BTC for that. Let's say I want to buy Solana using USDT. I can choose USDT over here, and for Solana, you want to search for SOL. The short form of Solana is SOL. So I'm on the USDT column, which means I'm going to use USDT to buy Solana, and I click on Solana over here. My Solana is going to be over here, as you guys can see, as SOL USDT. So once I see that, I can just scroll a bit down, go on the buy section, enter the amount of Solana I want to buy, and this is going to be my total in USDT, and click on buy SOL. If I do that, Solana will be purchased on my Wazirx account and it will be transferred to my wallet of Wazirx. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can purchase Solana and Wazirx. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, drop it down in the comment and use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Wazirx. So enjoy your $10 bonus. See you guys in a future video.